Okay guys, uh, so the next step of this application would be to create a orchestration. So this one I've added new. So right now we have created Docker image here and Docker image here. So we need to test as a single orchestration unit. For that we need to create a DockerCompose file and see if we are able to orchestrate it. So I'm going to show you how. It just take a minute. So for that, what we do is we come to the root folder, ls cd.doc, and create a DockerCompose file. doc docker-compose.yml. Now the DockerCompose file is created. So we start by adding YAML code, services, let's say apps, say build apps/start, and then ports, 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 say 5000. Now volumes and everything is already there in the file, we don't require that. So now the next one is HTML, again build templates/dot, and then same thing, ports being 80 to 80. Okay, so now this is done. So let's say docker-compose. So we are actually testing the entire application as a whole in Docker container to see the core, the application layer, the server, the UI, everything behaves as expected as one single unit. Okay, as you can see, I have not detached it. So this is running. So let's actually open our browser and open localhost 8080. As you can see, it's working as expected from the Docker. So now what we can do is, let's open docker-compose dump. So that would be it, right? Thank you. So let's meet up in the deployment inside Kubernetes. Thank you so much.